Go ahead. What do you have for breakfast today?
Toast.
Toast? What does it have on it?
Peanut and jelly.
All right. Can you say hi to Nora?
Hi, Nora.
Say, this is how you eat your breakfast.
Did you have to eat your breakfast?
Okay.
I want to see a movie about Nora.
Yeah. Okay. Can you eat your toast? Show her how to do it. What do you do?
Bring it. See? Nom, 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 nom.
How is it? Is it sticky? Would you like to have anything else with it? Oatmeal?
No more oatmeal.
Oh, okay. Some fruit?
You want some tea?
No, it's not for me. Coffee like.
And some coffee? Don't pace yourself.
Tell Nora what's on your toast.
Peanut butter and jelly.
Say, Nora,
Nora.
here's what's on my toast. Pick it up. Show her, yeah. Yum.
I see Nora.
Okay, you see it after. You gotta make her a video first.
Love you, Nora.
Love you, Nora. He's on circle.
Gigi, do you think you have any peanut butter on your face?
Yes, I do.
Say, Nora, are you eating your breakfast too?
Are you eating your breakfast too, Nora?
Do you think you have some peanut butter on your arm?
No.
Where's the peanut butter?
No, thanks.
Oh, okay. What does Nora like to eat?
Toast.
Toast? What does she like to put on it?
Peanut butter and jelly.
Oh, that's good.
Nom, 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 nom.
What songs do we sing when we're eating?
Nom, 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 nom.
What songs do we sing? Doe a deer? London Bridges? No, that's not how it goes. How's your toast?
This is a Chew, Mama.
Oh, really? Dolly, how are you? Dolly, come up here. Come up here. Come here. Did you feed Dolly, Steve?
Nope.
Can you feed her?
Yep.
How are we doing with the toast?
Say bye-bye.
No, we're not done yet. Dolly's got to get her breakfast too. See, Nora? You finished? Where did it go? Yeah, it's in there. Let me look in there. Open. Ah! Open. Go ah.
Ah.
Ew. Gigi.
I want to see Dolly. I want to see Nora too.
Okay.
We all want to see Nora. Say, Nora, send us a video, please.
No, no one needs that. And you finish it off with some juice. Very good, Genevieve. All right, say bye, Nora.
Bye, Nora.
Look up here.
Bye, Nora. I want to see a video of Nora.
Okay.